I want to talk to you about creating content. And this is really about being an affiliate marketer and creating content for affiliate marketing, which is really just about giving your opinion and telling people what you think about a product and them believing in what you're saying about the product. Because that's really what this whole thing is about. It's about creating a relationship with the people that are going to see your content. So whether you're doing a video like I'm doing right now, where I'm just talking to you about how to create something, and then once you create it, where do you post it so other people can find it? So for example, this video is posted on YouTube. You watch my YouTube videos because I have something to say that you're interested in. Well, hopefully you're interested in. So I create that content, I post it on YouTube, you find it, and then during the course of that, when you find the content and you actually believe that what I'm saying to be true, and you can trust me over a period of time, in that I stay consistent with the fact that I keep telling you the same thing, and you come to like, know, and trust me, which is a great thing that, or a great way to describe the relationship that is built with you as an affiliate marketer and your audience. You get people, or you want people to like you, you want people to get to know you, and then of course you want people to trust you, because you want them to trust your opinion, because your opinion is what matters. Your opinion on a product, and then your experience with that product as you make it. That's the content that you're creating. And as you create that content, again, no matter if it's in the form of an audio, if it's in the form of a blog, written content, or like this in a video, that is what you're doing as an affiliate marketer. You're creating content and you're posting that content where people can find it. YouTube, Facebook. If you're doing the written word, typically that'll be, on your own blog, but that could just as easily be Quora or Medium, or even guest posting and doing something like that. And that's what you're doing. When you create content as an affiliate marketer, you put content out so when real people can find it, it'll help them solve their problem. And that is what you want to do. You want to create content, you want to help people solve their problems, and you're going to be rewarded at the end of the day as an affiliate marketer by them taking your recommendations and them clicking on your links and them purchasing via that link and you earning a commission. That's the thing. That's how easy it is. That's the real truth behind it. It's just that simple. And again, I said that's how easy it is. It's not as easy as it is simple, or easy and simple aren't the same thing. This stuff is simple. And if you want to see how simple it is, and you just want to understand more about how to do it, and you want to do this yourself, and you want to be successful at it, click on the link below this video in the description in the pinned first comment. Head over, watch a free web class from my #1 recommendation to get started with affiliate marketing, and that's training from Taking Action Online with Philip Barrelman. He's going to explain to you exactly how this works, how simple it is, but the simple fact is it's unsexy, it is work, it takes time. The quicker you learn that and you come to grips with that and understand that, the more successful that you're going to be at affiliate marketing. And that's how you start, and those are the steps. Get started, create content, and start that by clicking that link in the description of the pinned first comment. Watch that web class. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Thanks for taking time to watch this video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.